Aircraft tugs, buses, mining trucks, and rail fleets all collect extreme industrial grime every day. These wash systems don't just clean them, they strip away fuel, mud, and metal residue fast, using precision pressure and smart chemistry to keep heavy operations running without downtime. Most people never think about what it takes to clean a machine that weighs more than a house and works in conditions that would destroy anything ordinary. Finfinet does. Their industrial washing equipment is engineered for the kind of contamination that builds up in steelworks and heavy manufacturing plants where grease, carbon, and metal particulate bond so aggressively to surfaces that standard washers do not even slow them down. Finfinet systems use precision-configured high-pressure nozzle arrays that drive cleaning agents into recesses, joints, and surface geometries that a pressure washer would simply miss. The result is a machine that comes out of the wash bay looking like it rolled off the assembly line that morning. Shorter cycles, lower chemical consumption, and a clean that actually meets industrial compliance standards. In facilities where dirty equipment means failed inspections and unplanned downtime, Finfinet is not a luxury. It is the difference between operating and shutting down. Picture this, a city of 1 million people, hundreds of buses on the road before sunrise, every single one of them returning to the depot at the end of the day, carrying exhaust film, road grime, and biological contamination from thousands of passenger contacts. Now imagine trying to clean all of them before the next morning shift. That is exactly the problem the transit bus wash system was built to solve. Fully automated brush and high-pressure spray systems cover the entire bus from bumper to bumper in just minutes, cycling through vehicle after vehicle without slowing down. Water recovery systems slash consumption per wash, and because the process is automated, you need almost no manual labor to run it. Municipal transit authorities around the world use systems like this to keep their fleets looking sharp. Because a dirty bus is not just an aesthetic problem, it is a public trust problem, and transit agencies cannot afford either. Here is something most people never consider. Every piece of ground support equipment on an airport tarmac, the fuel trucks, the baggage loaders, the tow vehicles, the de-icing rigs, accumulates a cocktail of jet fuel, hydraulic fluid, runway chemicals, and aircraft exhaust that is some of the most stubborn industrial contamination on Earth. And at airports, cleaning that equipment is not optional. It is federally regulated. Revere aviation support systems are purpose-engineered for that exact responsibility. Their industrial wash platforms deliver pressures and flow rates calibrated specifically for aviation ground support assets, and every installation integrates wastewater capture and filtration to meet the strict environmental compliance standards that airports and military airfields are legally required to maintain. Revere did not take a standard truck washer and rebrand it for aviation. They started from scratch, designed for one of the most demanding and regulated wash environments in the world. The pressure is only half the equation. What you put in the water is the other half. And most commercial wash operations are still running chemistry from 20 years ago. Pro Nano changed that. Their car and truck wash cosmetics line uses nanotechnology formulations where active particles work at a molecular level, penetrating the bond between contamination and the surface, rather than just blasting it from the outside. The practical result is dramatic. Less product per wash, faster clean times, better results on road film, fuel residue, and oxidized grime that traditional detergents leave behind. And because the nanoactive compounds rinse completely clean, there is no residue, no streaking, and no damage to paint or protective coatings. For professional wash operators running high-volume facilities, does not just improve the quality of the wash, it cuts the cost of delivering it. A long-haul trucking fleet does not stop. The trucks run day and night, thousands of kilometers per week, through rain, mud, and industrial pollution that layers onto every panel, every wheel arch, and every square centimeter of undercarriage. Keeping those trucks clean is not about aesthetics. Dirty trucks corrode faster, fail inspections more often, and project exactly the wrong image to every client whose goods they are carrying. Transport wash systems are built for that operational reality, with drive-through automated wash architecture that processes heavy commercial vehicles in minutes using high-output brush arrays and precision spray bars attacking the full vehicle simultaneously. There is a reason SUE Corporation has been trusted by some of the toughest industries in North America for decades, and it comes down to one thing: heat. When you're dealing with grease that has been cooked onto engine components, biological contamination in food processing facilities, or compacted agricultural residue that cold water pressure alone cannot shift, heat changes the physics of cleaning entirely. SUE builds industrial hot water and steam systems that deliver sustained, controlled thermal energy to the wash process, dissolving substances at the molecular level before pressure even has to do its job. Their systems are engineered for continuous duty, meaning they do not overheat, cycle down, or degrade in output after hours of hard use. In agricultural, food processing, and heavy manufacturing environments where hygiene and equipment condition are non-negotiable, SUE delivers the kind of cleaning performance that protects both the machinery and the operation running it. When the vehicle being washed weighs over 100 tons and arrives covered in mine tailings, or slurry, and hydraulic fluid baked on by days of continuous operation, you need more than a wash bay. Hydrochem Systems builds exactly that, designing custom industrial wash installations. Their systems are not off-the-shelf products reconfigured for big vehicles. Each installation is engineered for the specific vehicle class, with fixed gantry systems, drive-through tunnel configurations, and dedicated undercarriage blast systems. A city tram runs the same route, through the same pollution, the same weather, and the same street-level grime, dozens of times a day. By the time it returns to the depot, it is carrying everything that the city threw at it, and it needs to be clean again before the first service tomorrow morning. Istobal's tram wash system is built for that relentless cycle. Gantry-mounted rotating brush assemblies and synchronized high-pressure spray systems clean the entire exterior of an articulated tram body, including the roof and end caps, while the vehicle moves through at operational speed. It does not stop. It does not wait. The wash happens around it. Water recycling systems reduce consumption per cycle, and the engineering is designed for the tempo of urban transit networks, where a tram might pass through that wash bay multiple times in a single day. Istobal has been building vehicle wash systems for decades, and the tram wash is one of their most precisely engineered products. Industrial cleaning takes on a different meaning here. EST companies build systems designed to handle the toughest environments, where dirt is not just surface level, but deeply embedded. Valued well beyond $500,000, these machines combine high pressure, heat, and chemical application into a single process. The impact is immediate, as thick layers of grime begin to break apart under force. It feels heavy, powerful, and unapologetically industrial. There is no finesse here, only raw capability focused on results. When the job demands more than a simple wash, this system steps in and delivers a level of clean that feels absolute, leaving nothing behind. Concrete does not wait. It starts curing the moment the chemistry begins. And on the exterior of a mixer truck, that means every single pour leaves a little more buildup on the drum, chute, frame, and cab. Over time, without aggressive and consistent cleaning, that accumulation becomes a structural and mechanical problem, not just an aesthetic one. RW, Martin Industrial Machinery. Specialists understand the concrete industry at a level that general wash equipment manufacturers simply do not, which is why their concrete truck wash systems are engineered specifically for the hardened and semi-cured contamination that defines this vehicle class. High-pressure nozzle arrays hit every surface, and drum wash capability addresses the interior and exterior of the mixing barrel, where residue causes the most long-term damage. In a batching plant, where mixers need to turn around between pours, speed matters as much as thoroughness. RW Martin delivers both. The single biggest inefficiency in a high-volume truck wash operation is not the wash itself. It is everything around it: the maneuvering, the repositioning, the operator adjustments for different vehicle sizes, the time lost because the system was set up for the last truck and not the current one. ScanMax by AutoWash Solutions eliminates all of that. As the truck enters the bay, the system scans the vehicle in real time, reads its exact dimensions and profile, and automatically adjusts brush positions, spray angles, and pressure settings to match that specific truck before the first nozzle fires. Every vehicle gets a custom wash, no operator input, no delay. Whether it is a standard semi, an oversized tanker, ScanMax adapts instantly. At a busy truck stop or logistics hub processing dozens of vehicles per shift, that kind of automation does not just improve wash quality, it transforms the economics of running the facility. A Caterpillar 797 mining haul truck stands 6 meters tall, weighs over 360 tons when loaded, and operates in open pit conditions where the ground itself is the contamination source. Cleaning a machine at that scale is an industrial operation in its own right. Mine equipment wash systems are engineered for exactly that reality, with wash infrastructure capable of processing ultra-class mining trucks using high-volume water delivery, industrial detergent injection, and underbody blast systems that attack the compacted mud, ore dust, and fluid accumulation that collect beneath these machines after every operating cycle. At a major mining operation, equipment availability is worth millions of dollars per hour, A machine that cannot be inspected because it is contaminated is a machine that cannot be cleared for deployment. These wash systems are not a support service. They are a core part of the maintenance and availability chain that keeps a mine producing. The Transalpine cuts through the southern Alps of New Zealand on one of the most spectacular rail journeys on Earth, crossing braided rivers, threading through mountain passes, and exposing its carriages to weather and environment that leave their mark on every surface. When that train arrives at the end of its run, it needs to be immaculate for the next morning's passengers, and the Transalpine train wash system is what makes that possible. As the consist moves through the wash facility at controlled speed, a fixed gantry delivers rotating brush coverage, high-pressure spray, and full rinse simultaneously across the entire length of the train. The system is calibrated specifically for passenger rolling stock, balancing cleaning intensity with surface protection to preserve the livery and paintwork across thousands of wash cycles over years of service. For a premium scenic railway, where the presentation of the product is inseparable from the quality of the experience, this wash system is not maintenance. It is part of the brand. Long-haul shipping trucks cover distances that most people only experience on a flight, thousands of kilometers across highways, through weather systems, industrial corridors, and agricultural regions, each one depositing a different layer of contamination on the cab. By the time a shipping truck pulls into a Nova truck wash stop, it is carrying the evidence of an entire journey on its exterior, and it needs to come out the other side, ready to represent the carrier brand that put it on the road. Nova delivers that result with automated wash systems engineered specifically for full-size shipping configuration trucks, handling the extended length, the trailer height, and the complex surface geometry of a loaded semi in a single efficient pass. The wash cycles are fast enough to fit into a driver's rest stop without adding meaningful delay to the schedule, and the clean is thorough enough to satisfy both the operator's standards and the client whose logo is on the side of that trailer. Nova understands that for a shipping company, every truck on the road is a moving billboard, and a dirty one is advertising the wrong thing.